My name is Dave Nett, and I'm the RF technical lead for the Advanced Light Source. And I also am the technical advisor for the RF systems for the ALSU project.
My name is Tianhuan Luo. I'm a research scientist at the Accelerator Technology and Applied Physics Division, the Berkeley Accelerator Control and Instrumentation Group. I work on the accelerator physics, mainly on the RF components, the beam instrumentation, and other electronic components.
So before I came to Berkeley Laboratory, I worked in industry, primarily the defense industry, for about 22 years. And then I also worked with linear accelerators for oncology systems for treating cancer. So knowing that the Advanced Light Source is a synchrotron that uses accelerators, it seemed like a pretty good place to come to work because of my work with high power microwaves and my accelerator background.
I visited Berkeley Lab once during my graduate studies, and I got a very good experience. I applied for a postdoc here and I got an offer, and I came here and stayed forever until now. So.
Radio frequency energy is can be better known as radio waves. So it's an oscillating electromagnetic field. We use it at the Advanced Light Source to accelerate the electron beam.
In the synchrotron light source, first, due to the synchrotron radiation, the electron, they lost energy. So they need, as Dave said, the RF to replenish those lost energies to keep them at the same energy level. And also in this upgrade, and also in the ALS, we need some special longitudinal manipulation, like to control the bunch lengths to lengthen them in order to keep them stable. So all these gymnastics are done by the RF systems.
So initially, Tianhuan and I didn't work together, but with the ALSU project, the RF cavities that accelerate the beam in the new accumulator ring, I was responsible for helping to procure those cavities, and Tianhuan was responsible for working on designs for those cavities. So my focus was on the hardware. Hers is more in computations, in helping us figure out what we needed to procure.
For example, in the recent third harmonic cavities, Dave led the project and coordinated with the LVL, with the vendor, and with the design. So I work with Dave to communicate with the vendors.
Things have changed since we've merged and become one ALS, and that's an ongoing process. But I think initially we've been able to leverage expertise from the Advanced Light Source technical team and have them help with some of the integration activities for ALSU new equipment. And that's been really helpful.
So ATAP also provides support to ALSU, I'm doing the RF, and then another scientist is doing the impedance and the diagnostics, and also Chad doing the beam dynamics. So we are all support for the ALSU. So.
I think that the most successful achievement that my team and I are proud of is the successful installation and integration of the AR RF cavities into the storage ring tunnel. We're preparing to energize the cavities with RF energy for the first time.
For me, the achievement I'm very proud of recently is the delivery of the third harmonic cavity. I remember receiving the email from vendor that they tuned the frequency to exactly where we want, which is a kind of like an achievement, a milestone for the cavity production. I think it's a combination of our years' effort of design and production. So be proud of that.
Coming up on the horizon, we are preparing to energize those AR cavities in the accumulator ring. And so we're on a very tight schedule to have those cavities fully RF conditioned before the summer shutdown, which occurs in July.
So our next project related to the RF is the testing the RF for the feedback systems, including the high power system, and also connect the whole power and the control and the the feedback cavities together to test the whole.
In my free time, which right now I don't have a whole lot of, but when I do have my free time, I like to ride my electric dirt bike off in the mountains, and I enjoy barbecuing.
In my free time, because my days are most like simulations, so very stationary, so I want to keep active. And in recent years, I start playing badminton and really get into it. And then next month, I'm going to play in a local tournament in the lowest division though.